guys, I'm Tracy. I'm from Winning Home Improvements and we are so excited to share with you our latest Thornlands bathroom project. So come on in with me and check it out. So here we've got the main bathroom, and in here we did a remodel and picked all the selections for the clients and ran through that with them. We have introduced a beautiful coastal floating cabinet in a light tone with finger pull handles for all the doors. These will give a little bit of airspace by having that floating up on the wall. We've also introduced a beautiful freestanding bath. The original was a hobbed bath, which really made the bathroom feel a lot smaller. So the freestanding also creates a little bit of extra space in here. There is a shaving cabinet, which for extra storage to make this really practical for the family. And then we did this beautiful chevron tile, as you can see, as a feature at the back. This is our beautiful ensuite that we did for this couple, and we are so excited to be able to give them in here double showers. Also, we introduced another floating cabinet in here and we put double basins in. And for extra storage, to be smart, we added in a shaving cabinet with mirrors behind. So welcome to the downstairs bathroom. We took up some extra footprint, and the way that we managed to achieve that with a solution was taking out an existing wardrobe linen closet from the laundry that was on the opposite side, and that then allowed us to restructure and open up this beautiful walk-in shower.